Hello everyone, I'm Professor Lin秀穎from Far East University, MGDN. Today's topic is about why double diamond. Well, double diamond is a model presented by UK Design Council in about 20 years ago. So they give a short film this year. You can look this way. The double diamond model run just like this graph shows. It's a progress and it can iterate. When you got a solution here, you may go back to present a new one and iterate it, okay? And there are many examples about organizations apply it. For example, the first one is Meta, Facebook, right? And the second, a design company, Idea. And here, P&G. So, now, let's begin our today's course. The outline today is as follows. First, we'll identify what is diamond. And second, we'll illustrate the double diamond model, or DDN. Third, we'll introduce how to practice the model via Mirror. That's a website tool. And in today's course, you will identify what is diamond, recognize the double diamond model, practice the model in Mirror, and apply Mirror to problem solving. So let's begin our first topic. What is diamond? Well, think about the word, and you'll find the word diamond can mean many things. For example, diamonds mean precious gems, or diamond cut, or poker shoot. Yeah, I think you're familiar with this, right? Poker shoot here. You'll see the shape is like the red one we just see, right? So you got it. In double diamond model, the diamond means diamond shape, this shape. And if you put two together, it will be in this way. Yeah, so we got double diamond model. So this leads to the end of our first topic. What is diamond? Diamond means diamond shape in this way. And you put two, that will be double diamond, okay? Then we'll introduce the double diamond model. Let's take a first look about the double diamond model. It will look like this way. There are two diamonds and separated into four faces. All begins with the alphabet D, and the first phase is discover, second one is define, and third is develop, and final one is deliver. But the model seems somewhat complicated, right? So how people find this model is so complicated. Let me show you some daily examples as follows. Case 1. When you buy drinks in tea shop, you buy 2 cups of drinks. The price is $50 each. How much money should you pay? Anyone got an answer? Yes. Okay. 100. Great. Thanks for your answer. All got the correct answer. The answer is $100. You will see that when you got a clear problem with a clear answer, you may just go straight like this way. If the problem is not so clear or the answer is not so clear, what will happen then? That is a big question, right? And that will lead us to the next case. Let's examine the case two together. When you want to buy lunch for your friend, and can you buy anything you like? No. Why? Because you didn't buy it for yourself, right? So, how about your friend's need? Well, there must be some limits or hidden information, right? For example, does he care about price or his flavor, taste, time, with fruits, with drinks? You see that it's almost an open problem, right? Oh my God. How to get it? So you'll find that lunch is not very clear, right? What do you mean by lunch? If your friend asks you, hey, please bring me a cup of bubble tea, you know that's clear, right? But lunch, of course, you will add sugar, etc. And then lunch, oh my God, there are so many choices, right? So if you make case two, we must redefine lunch. So the question will be, what your friend really want for lunch? You know that even when you help some other people, if they don't like the result, you'll be hurt too, right? So, case two, the answer is try to give lunch a new definition and which will meet your friend's need. That's the real need, right? And so, this will bring us to the first diamond. The first diamond's work is to find the real problem. And in the first phase, discover, we must study the problem as follows. We must try to find the limits. Then we try to gather hidden information to help us to clarify what the problem really means. And then we start from problem version 1, and then we find the limits and get the hidden information, and the insight becomes as vast as an area. Because you got many ideas here, and you think very much, well, what does he like? Okay, noodles, rice, steak, etc. Okay, they will be filled there, but you will see that, well, oh my God, there are so many things. So how to conclude? So we go to the next phase, define. In define phase, we'll redefine the problem. That is, when I gather many things here in discover phase, and we must condense it to a single well-defined problem, like this way. And you will see it's a conversion process because those choices, those information will from a vast area, then they will be condensed into a single problem definition. Okay? And so let's recap what we have done for the first diamond. The first step is discover. We studied the problem version 1, and then in the second one, define. we redefine the problem version 2 here. So after the first diamond, we got a more well-defined problem here, and then we'll try to solve it in the second diamond as follows. In the second diamond, the diamond is separated to two triangles too. The first one is develop phase and the second one is deliver phase. In develop phase, we study the problem version 2 and find all possible solutions. So you will see from a point the redefined problem, and we try to find all possible solutions so it will become a vast area. So it's a divergence progress from one point to an area, okay? How can we get final solutions from all those possible solutions? That will lead us to the next stage, the deliver. In the deliver phase, we check all possible solutions to get and then deliver the final solution. So the process is like this way. We may check, test, analyze, modify, combine, do anything we like just to find a final solution to deliver here. Okay, and so we know that the second diamond is for find the best solution. And we recap it in here. In the second diamond, there are two phases. First one is develop phase. Our work is to find all possible solutions for the problem version 2. And in the deliver phase, we find the final solution to deliver. So its progress is like this way. Okay? Any question? Got the point? Okay? So let's move on. The solution seems not so well. What can we do now? You may redefine the problem version 2 to problem version 3 and put it here, then stop the process again. So you can iterate it and the cycle will move on until you got your final solution. See? Okay. Now, double diamond model is just a model. And model, if you can't practice it or apply it, it's useless, right? So we'll introduce a website tool named Mirror. You can practice double diamond model there. Let me show you how to use it. First day, we must find the mirror, right? You can open browser and type mirror here and choose this one. There is a big red M. That's mirror. In the website upper right, there is a sign up button. Just click it and get an account. You must fill in your email, etc. And then, when you log in this website, you may type double diamond in the search area and choose templates. You'll find the first one is our double diamond model. The double diamond, you see, there are 4 faces. And you will see there are 3 spatial areas: problem, definition, and solution. How to change them will I show in the next slide. For example, you may double-click problem and it will turn gray. Then you can change this word to anything you like, even font style, color, etc. Anything you like. And there will be a tool menu. It's auto pop-up. There is a toolbar in the left side. Just one click to choose a tool you want to apply. For example, I click the first one, sticky notes, and then you will see there is a sub menu appear. Then you choose one here and A tool menu will auto up when you decide the final tool. Is that clear? Okay. Can you follow the steps? Okay, let's move on. So, okay, you got a mission. It's your turn to practice DDM. The requirements are as follows. First, arrange into groups 3 to 5 each. Second, 30 minutes to practice. Third, if got stuck, can ask help. Then, fourth, there will be a group presentation, peer review, and teacher review, and the order will be designed by Jolos. And final, 10 grades for score. Please practice it well. And remember, whenever you got stuck, I'll be by your side all the time. So don't be afraid, okay? And then about the double diamond model, there are some guidelines I will show you here. When you do the practice, if you got stuck, you might check here. I list every phases, goal, and action here. Okay. Then we'll go to the recap section. What we have done today, first, we identify that diamond is a shape. Remember? Okay. And then, second, we illustrate the double diamond model. Okay. Remember, move from here, from a point to a base area is a divergent process. And then we must redefine the problem so it converges to one point. And then the next stage in the second diamond, we try to solve the problem. So in develop phase, we try to find all possible solutions. So it's a divergent process. And then in deliver phase, we try to find the best solution. And then finally, when we got the solution, we deliver it. Okay. And the third part, we practice the model via mirror. You may try to analyze forecast to your girlfriends or boyfriend and think, well, why sometimes he is not satisfied with what I have done? Because what? Because you didn't did what he or she want. You know, you complete one thing, but the result is not what you asked for. So that's why he's upset. And so you may use it to try to analyze what happened there, the limits and hidden information. Okay, try it. And finally, there are 2 assignments. The first one is the mirror practice for daily life. Deadline will be next week. Yes, next week we'll have a group presentation. Why? Because you didn't fulfill it today, so we just postponed it to next week. Don't be afraid. I'll be always there, okay? And the second assignment is much more important. I ask you to apply mirror to your project practice. You know what is project practice? 实务专题. Yeah, you must complete it before you graduate. So, try to apply mirror for your project practice to analyze what to do, how to do, etc. And you'll find it's very useful. And so, I require you to hand in the report before the end of this year, that is December 31. Any other question? That's all for today. And remember, whenever you got stuck, you may ask me for help. with email, phone call, or line. Either will do. I'll be by your side all the time, and hope you will all practice all. See you next week. Bye.